right, now we're going to learn how to take your Google Sheet with all your data at the end of the 6 weeks and move it to another tab so that you can continue using the Google form that you've been using. You open up the Google Sheet for the student that you're doing it for, and then you're going to copy all of this all the way to here. Okay, once you copy it, you got to come down here at the bottom and you've got to add another page, and then you're going to paste it. Okay, so this was the 6 weeks. So you just go here, you're going to name it six weeks. Okay, and then a lot of times what you're going to have to do, let me take this off. A lot of times what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to reformat it to make sure that you can still kind of see everything. You can make these as long as they need to be. You can make this one longer if you want. Okay, this has multiple, so you're going to have to pull that a little bit just so you can read it a little bit better. Okay, and then once you've done that, then you go over here to form response 1 and you go ahead and you only delete these rows right here. So you highlight that, right click, and you go to delete rows 4 through 20. Okay, the reason why you have to do it that way is because we want this form response 1 to keep working. And now these are all saved for the rest, for what you started with. Okay, but now if I wanted to, I can actually go back and go to my original form, go to preview. Let's say that they were absent that day, so then I wouldn't mark anything else. Submit it. Okay, and then all you're going to do is go back to your sheet and you'll see that it came up right here. So let's say tomorrow I go ahead and I go back in there again. Let me take these off. I click on the form. Again, you have to go to preview. Let's say that they're tardy today, they're not participating, they're being disruptive, they declined any kind of help from you, decline. They're like, I'm not doing anything. They even declined to take their test, and you can write whatever you need to write here, submit it, and then when you go look at your sheet again, you'll see that it's all up here. Now what you'll notice is you see how this is all like going where you can't see it? All you have to do is when you get to the point where you need to be able to read it, so I usually do this at the end of the 6 weeks, you just highlight it, you go up here, and you go to text wrapping. And when you text wrap, what it does is it puts all of it like that. You can also put it all in the middle and make it look a little bit neater. But you do have to do that every time. I don't know how to make it to where it doesn't do that, but I've been trying to figure it out. So if anybody knows, please let me know. And then that's all you do.